Hey guys, welcome back for another episode with me. I was going to say this week, but just today, because you know it is today. We've been working on new spotlights. I'm so excited about this, and I want to really know what you think. I know it's hard. It's quite hard to judge. See, I think that these look amazing in person. I don't know if they have that same appeal on camera or not. Essentially, what we've done is we've managed to get the cable through the entire body, which is absolutely amazing. I'm so excited. And we've got some super things coming up, so we're going to start doing knurling back again on Nakamura to bring back knurl wheels. So I just spent £800 on this lovely little tool, Italian made tool for knurling. It's a cut knurling tool, so it do a fantastic job. And we're doing redesigns on other bits and pieces too, so bear with me a second and I'll show you. So as I stand here and screw these in, I'll tell you a little bit about the week. So we've had no Max for 2 days again this week. Liam's at college for 1 day, and we've achieved an incredible production output. I'm really proud of the guys, and the quality is just still absolutely amazing. So I'm really happy. It's really sort of coming together at the moment, so I just hope it continues and we just keep working on anything that comes up and we get through it. That's the wall light, so that's kind of what we're looking at, the wall light, and a bit more bulky, yeah, okay, but you know, hopefully you agree that it's going to be quite nice. I think it'll work quite well, especially when it's all powder coated, because right now obviously the silver is really glaring and whatever, but when this is actually, you know, anodized, powder coated and whatnot, I think it will look really good. There's an existing, I mean this is actually a 230 volt base, but you kind of get the idea, slight difference in hinges, etc. But I think it will do its job, I really do. So yeah, I'm really happy with this at the moment, and we need to see though whether or not we need teeth. So the last version of the hinges we put little tiny teeth in both teeth, and then little holes for the teeth on the other side, so that everything could like lock together. At the moment we haven't got that on this, because there's quite a decent amount of surface area that, yeah, you move it and it gets loose, but you just tighten the wheel up and it actually is nice and solid. So it's a consideration. Do we need teeth? Do we not need teeth? Max messaged me, we messaged earlier, because even though he's off, I still message him, and he said, you know, Chris, I think we should put teeth in anyway. So I'm going to look at doing that, look at how we can do that. We've got enough tool holders now that we can do the teeth complete, etc. So potentially that could be something. I also need to make sure I actually put a thread on the back side of this hinge, because at the moment it hasn't got one. So I'm really excited to show you this stuff, and I hopefully get to actually put it in place in person, but we've got to do a lot more testing to confirm that it is what we want it to do, you know, it achieves everything that we want it to achieve, and still aesthetically it kind of works with what we've got, because there's a couple of hinges that won't change, or won't really change that much. We're really looking to get that cable through complete, so we're not stripping back with a single course, because we've had a couple of issues where on display cases where they get moved about so much, you know, in the field they don't really get moved about that much, but in the display cases everyone's always like, oh, look at this, oh yes, and then, you know, bit by bit that cable is sort of like moving back and forward and wearing. Something that we need to correct. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video. I know it was short and sweet, but I just wanted to just give you a little update of what was going on. Don't forget, if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Thanks guys.